In this lesson, I will introduce multithreading practice. This multithreading example is very simple. We will create 10 threads concurrently. 10 threads, 10 execution contexts. Each time the new operator is used, and start is called, a new thread is created. This is just a simple demonstration. The threads are executed in an order that does not match their creation order. Why is that? Because which thread executes first is decided by the operating system scheduler. Not by the order in which they are created. Execution order is controlled by the operating system scheduler. So when running like this, we cannot predict which thread will execute first. Now let's debug it. Debug the program. During debugging in the main method, there is a main thread. When the program starts, there is one main thread. After that, multiple threads are created. When debugging, you will see many threads. That's it. Here I am using Eclipse. In general, debugging cannot cover all possible scenarios. In many cases, we must use specialized tools. In later chapters, when issues arise, we will use those tools for debugging to identify bugs or analyze the performance of the program. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.